Hi everyone, welcome to Mandy Mandarin. What is WeChat? Well, as you can see in its name, it got a chat in the name. However, WeChat is way more than a messaging app. Being a resident in China, in my opinion, WeChat is my personal assistant. I can use WeChat to pay in most of the places in China, including supermarkets, restaurants, shops, street markets, and so much more. I can use WeChat to order food online, order groceries online, book a doctor appointment, buy a concert ticket, take a taxi, take a subway, take a bus, and even apply for a new car license. So, today we're going to visit WeChat's headquarters in Guangzhou. To be more specific, it's in an old fabric factory that has been turned into a modern creative industrial park named TIT. Actually, I don't know what TIT stands for, but I do know that creative industrial parks are abandoned industrial structures like clothing factories, warehouses, wineries that has been repurposed into modern, multi-purpose creative space. In Chinese, the word for creative industrial park is 创意园, and here is another video of 创意园 if you like it. Wow! Okay, back to the TIT Industrial Park. It was a fabric factory since 1956. In 2007, the factories closed and the renovation started, based on the need of upgrading the industry. In 2010, the transformation was completed, and now it's a modern creative park with an area of 85,000 square meters. There are some design companies, modeling companies, and tech companies in this area. When you're searching for WeChat, there are a lot of news about Tencent. So here's the thing. Tencent is the mother company of WeChat, and the Tencent headquarters is in Shenzhen, while WeChat's headquarters is in Guangzhou. I have to confess, I'm not invited to go into the building. So let's take a walk outside, chilling, catching mangoes from the tree, and found out I'm not tall enough to get it. But please know that these plants are here for purifying the air. So the fruit might contain chemical components, which means you cannot eat them. Oh, this company is called Yiche in Mandarin and Bitauto in English. It's a Chinese automobile internet platform, which provides services for Chinese car users and marketing solutions for car manufacturers and car dealers. There are many old machines in this park. They served as a manufacturing machine in the last century and serving as an art piece nowadays. forgot my sunglasses are on my head.
Có 有咩好呢？呢個加1蚊多一支，不含糖啊，冇糖啊，健康啊！你叫咩名啊？你叫咩名啊？你住邊度啊？你幾歲啦？哎呀，貓貓。
Later.
貓貓。貓貓。
Later.
嗯，貓貓。貓貓。
Decades ago, workers in the fabric factories produced a lot of clothing that improved our lives. Decades later, internet companies emerged and developed here, in the same place, changing the lives of more than 1 billion people. Just like the poem that written by Zhao Yi, 江山代有才人出，各领风骚数百年。Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mandy. Don't forget to like my video if you like it. And I will see you in the next episode.